Hi lovelies, I don't come back again with a bonge recipe today. This one na oatmeal fufu. Have you tried it before? If not, yeah, I'm back. I don't know if I can continue with this vibe, but let me try. Okay guys, in a blender. No, I can't continue with it. Let me use my normal vibe, okay? So in a blender, I just added 3 cups of oatmeal, okay? If you don't have a dry blender, you can use your weight blender and add water inside it. Though I use this one to blend weight things too, okay? If you have been watching my videos, you can see that I do use it to blend weight things. So, but if you don't have this particular blender, I'm not sure of other ones because I can't say this is the one I use. So this is the one I can say for sure that it blends wet and dry stuff too, okay? So I'll grind it very well till it's well grounded. I will now set it aside, okay? So in a pot, I just added 3 cups of water and I on the stove to allow it to boil. You can see how the oatmeal is looking. It's well grounded. So the water is now boiled. I will scoop some water to cook it the second time, okay, just like this. So I put back the pot and then pour the oatmeal inside the pot to turn. I didn't use the 3 cups. I didn't use all the 3 cups. I ended up using just 2 cups. And you know guys, the good thing about this oatmeal is good for those that are on weight loss journey and the diabetes and all these vegetarians, okay? And if you're this type that always feel heavy after eating other swallows like semongari or cassava fufu, you won't feel that heavy after eating this oatmeal fufu, okay? So I just turn it and add in a little water to cook it for the second time and cover it to cook for 5 minutes at a low heat. Okay, so this is 5 minutes. I will now turn it to combine. Shout out to all my newest subscribers. You guys are highly welcome to the family, and to my returning ages, you guys are the best. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, like and comment. And if this is the first time of seeing my video or coming across my channel, I'm so glad to have you here, and thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Please subscribe and put on your notification bell to be part of this family. I would love you to be part of this family, okay? Thank you so much. So on the plate, I just put on a lining paper. You can add it on nylon if you have nylon. You can even add it on your plate and start eating it already or immediately, okay? I'm just doing it this way for presentation, okay? I'm just doing it this way for you guys. So I'll just put it over to the wrap and the pepper and fold it to mold it to my choice, just like this. And our oatmeal fufu is all ready. If you've watched to this moment and you will not subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Subscription is free. It doesn't cost anything, and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Okay guys, thank you for watching till this moment. As you can see, our oatmeal fufu is all ready, and I'll be enjoying it with white soup, ofe nsala. Okay, I wish that you guys are here to join me. Okay guys, thank you for watching to this moment. I appreciate you all, and see you in my next video. Bye.